A simple traffic stop quickly gets out of control after police officers smell cannabis coming from the car. What should have been a quickly check turns into a big argument as the passenger starts refusing to give ID, arguing with officer and giving fake names.
What's the reason for the stop?
Are you Travion? Whose car is this? Whose car? Are you Travion? Where's Travion? Okay. Okay, can I get IDs from you guys, please? I'm sorry? Well, first of all, your car smells like weed.
We just came from the car.
So there's a... Okay, so the outside of the car is clean. That's good.
We never smoked in this car.
Okay, I need an ID from you, please.
I don't have an ID.
They're all denying being him. Can you step out of the car for me, please, sir? Can you walk back there for me? What's your name? If you're not Travion, then who are you? What are you reaching for?
I'm putting my phone in my pocket.
Okay.
Hey, Sadler, come here. Come here. Just come here.
Walk over here. Who? Are you Travion? Why do you keep turning away from me?
I don't want to talk.
Talk to me.
I don't want to talk.
Okay, well, then you're going to stand here and we're going to wait all day till I figure out who you are, because you look a little bit like Travion.
If you know that's me, then why are you asking a question, bro? Just
Okay, so you're telling me you're Travion? You got a warrant, Travion. You'll go sit in the jail until they can figure out who you are if you're going to lie to them, too.
I ain't never lied.
Okay. Is this Travion?
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you know?
I'm telling, I'm...
Okay, just come on with it. It's me. Just come on.
Okay, that's what I thought. Walk over here. Stand in front of my car. I'm going to search you.
I don't got nothing on me, sir.
6'7", Travion's in custody. Where's your ID?
It's in my pocket.
It smells like weed if you want to compel ID from them, too.
Hey guys, Deputy Lullo with the Sheriff's Office. You guys have ID? I got you. It smells like weed in here. Yeah, I can smell it real strong. Well, the driver gave us, he said you can search it, so. He said we can search the vehicle.
That's not me.
Well, because the odor cannabis, we search you too.
No, not because y'all want to officer touching me.
We can get a female here.
Okay, that's y'all not. Ain't no male touching me.
It smells like weed if you want to compel ID from them, too.
Search it. Ain't nothing in the car, bro. I never smoked.
Okay, that's fine. I ain't worried about you smoking.
Who came in? He was gonna go to get my. I had his key right here. So he nothing the whole time. That's the only reason he was sitting right here. Okay, like it's cool. Like,
why you lying to me, dude?
I didn't lie. I just said.
You did lie to me. I asked you if you were Travion. You said, nah, he's not here.
Yeah, that's why. I was so
talking
scared
to him.
y'all pulled up on me. I'm like, I didn't do shit. You got warrants. Oh, misdemeanor warrant, though.
Who do you want? Who do you want to have your car? Is this the key for it?
Just give it to him. Give it to him.
Him? Does he have warrants?
No.
Okay. All right, walk over here. Right here. Maybe sit right here.
Y'all know me by my face, don't you? Because I seen you when we put in the car wash, you was looking at my face. You know me, don't you?
I never met you a day in my life.
Why you busting you in the car wash then?
Huh?
When you came in the car wash, why you following me outside the car wash if you just came in the car wash?
Because I'm doing my job.
But why you just...
We'll talk about it later.
Female passenger don't want to give her name and keeps arguing with police. She says she's pregnant and tells the officer they're breaking the law. Attention rises, she ignored commands, and deputies are forced to take action as the situation become more and more difficult.
Well, can I just start with your ID? That's really.
I have no ID.
I need to make sure.
I just got out the bed.
Okay, can you give me your name then?
Why y'all need my name for if I'm not driving? No, y'all not, because y'all didn't pull me over. I'm not the person driving. This is not my car.
Okay.
Like, that's how you lie.
I don't know if that's a first name. Who did you want to have your car?
Anyone can have my car.
Anybody can have
Anybody can have my car.
it. Anybody, like, who are you with? You're with these people?
I just came to get the new key. That's my people's. Because like, we used to go to the store and stuff, like, for my brother's birthday today. He just passed away.
So anybody that's in that car right now can drive the car away? Okay. Okay. What's so? No, I'm not. You're not in trouble.
I'm just laughing at y'all.
Oh, I don't care. You can laugh at me all you want. I'm married. I get laughed at all the time.
No, I'm laughing because I'm just steady stating it. I'm just steady stating to y'all that, like, I'm not the person driving.
Told you were.
The car is my name, so it's like, and I'm not in no trouble. So why do I have to put y'all my name?
Sure, I totally, I totally understand what you're saying. Okay, I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm not trying to insult your intelligence. Okay, but I'm going to educate you a little bit. Okay, you're in a vehicle that smells like the odor of raw cannabis. Okay, in the state of Illinois, gives me probable cause to search the car, identify all of its occupants. Okay.
It's not my car, so I don't need to give my ID.
Okay.
That's why he giggling, because like...
That's why I'm tired of this shit, because everybody thinks they know the law. You don't know the law.
No.
Yeah.
I never said I know the law. You getting mad because I won't take my name.
That's all right.
Lane? Is it Lane?
That's Lane.
Hey, Lane. Can you? You don't have to hang up the phone. I just want to talk to you out here real quick. Come over here. All right. Do you have anything on you? Yeah, I got.
Frustration became tense when the man in the back seat stepped out of the car. When the officer asked if he had anything on him, he admitted he was carrying a gun.
Don't go reaching around on me. Did it fall?
Yeah.
You not have it in a holster?
I have my holster, but it's in the car.
Okay, well.
Hey, throw me.
Firearm.
Did Wayne have a concealed carry?
Computer in front of me, so I don't know if it's valid or not.
Yeah, whatever. I just...
Okay.
Should be.
Man.
I know.
I believe it.
Sure.
You have a concealed? Hey, man, you gotta leave with that, bro.
Is that a negative?
You hear me? Lane, you gotta leave with that. You know what I'm saying?
Over here now.
Now's the time, but we'll figure it out.
Niko, can you unlock your car?
We'll figure it out, but right now it's not the time to yell at us, okay?
Walk over here, please. Lane.
We'll figure it out.
They're working on it. He's got the car, but
We gotta make sure.
dispatcher said that they didn't have
You know,
it.
by
They didn't
holding the
have
car,
it.
don't mean you got it.
Yeah.
You have one, though. Like they did this last time. It's on your eyebrow. What does that say? That's my brother, man. He just passed away. He died on Springfield Road in a car accident.
Oh, that was a bad one. Sorry to hear that.
That was his birthday today. So, man, I got this.
You don't have any guns on you, do you?
No, sir. You can check me again.
I already checked you once.
Yeah,
I've seen people put guns in some pretty gross places.
If you want to check me, bro, like, you can check me again. You can check the car.
You're good.
I just didn't understand. When y'all pulled up on me, I didn't know what was going on. I'm like, I do that.
Okay.
You good?
He's good. All right, and just like that, we're good. You got a valid license. Walk up to the front of this car. Do you care to hear the reasoning, or would I just be wasting my breath? You just want to get out of here?
I don't know why my name never come back clean, but I gotta go through this shit every fucking time.
Okay, here's the deal. I'm going to tell you this to save you some time next time, because it sounds like it's happened before. Do you have any questions for me about why we did? Any more questions about what we did?
Well, how can I fix it?
Well, there's not much that you can do other than when you encounter law enforcement, tell them you have a concealed firearm on you, and tell them when they run your name to run it with your full middle name, because it won't come back unless they do that. And give them the copy of the concealed carry license. Okay? All right, you're good to go over here. Okay.
But then the way y'all do
Did you give anybody your name yet?
Why you keep messing with me? They not messing with me. You like what you doing?
Because this is my incident.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so I want to get out of here. I have a meeting that I have to get to. I want to be out of here.
I don't want to be out here too.
Okay, then give me your name.
I don't have to.
Okay, you do. And listen, I am being very great. No, listen, I'm being very
Y'all
gracious
didn't find
with you.
anything in the car, so why do I have to give y'all my name?
We haven't even searched it yet. What are you talking about?
Okay,
I just found a
your
loaded
job.
gun in the car.
No, you did not. You found somebody who had a concealed carry, and you just
Okay.
rubbed him up against the wall for no reason.
Okay, you're gonna go in handcuffs in a second, and you're gonna go to jail if you don't give me your ID.
Because I won't say my name.
Yes, you're
And if you get
obstructing
the
an
reference me up,
investigation.
I'm going, file a complaint on you because I'm pregnant. So I'm letting you know that right now.
You don't have any guns on you. I can see that.
Yeah, I don't
so
have nothing on
I
me.
don't have to do anything.
I'm just letting you know. If you get the roughing me up and I'm 20 weeks pregnant, I will make a report on you.
Go for it.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't plan on doing that. So you don't have to worry about
no
it.
issue then. I'm just asking you, why do you need my name if y'all can search the car and not find what do you need my name for? That's all I'm asking. Like, that's it.
That's
I'm
not the
asking
point.
you.
That's
I know,
not
but I'm
the
just
point.
asking you a simple question. Why you get so upset?
Are you in law school? You should be.
Why are you so upset? Because you upset. Like,
Okay.
you see you messing with me and they're not. I wasn't driving, the car is not in my name, y'all haven't found anything, why do I have to give you my name? I didn't do anything, I was just in the passenger seat.
Okay, I'm not going to sit here and have court with you.
We're not at
a
court,
gas
I'm
station.
just telling you that I'm not giving you my name. What? Like, what? I'm laughing at
Listen,
you because you're like...
Normally, like, if I didn't have somewhere to be right now, you'd be halfway to jail already. All right, I don't play around anymore.
If you got somewhere to be, then why you steady bothering me?
I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a second. You're going to go to jail for obstructing my investigation.
What? Because I'm going to send you because I told him I wasn't driving.
Turn around, put your hands behind
You
your back.
didn't find nothing.
Turn around,
Don't touch me.
Turn around,
Do
put
not
your hands behind
touch
your back.
me. Don't touch
You're going to get another charge. I'm just telling you right now. You're going to get another charge.
Don't touch me. I'm standing
I'm
at you
gonna
on your
touch you.
body camera.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm telling you, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Bro, you better.
Stop.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. If you get the roughing with me,
I'm
I'm
not
pregnant.
roughing with you.
Stop pulling away.
You don't give a fuck about what you are. For real. And now you looking goofy as hell and I'm making a report against you. I don't give no fuck.
Oh, okay. Make a report against me.
I am.
You're obstructing an investigation.
I'm not obstructing shit. It's tight enough.
Stop pulling away
Dude,
from me.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. You ain't gonna be one more time, bro. And I swear to God, you're gonna see, bro. I'm not playing with you. Stop grabbing me like that, bro. Well, go search again. If y'all find something, I'll do y'all my name. How about that? Y'all
That's
don't,
not how
this
this
shit
game
don't work,
works. This
y'all,
isn't
though.
your game. This is
No,
mine.
it's not your game. That's why you're pissed off, because I won't give you my name.
Okay.
And I'm still not gonna give it to you.
Was there a female coming?
Exactly.
Okay.
Don't touch me. Stop touching me. You don't have to. He can
You're
hold
in-
me.
you're-
I don't need
you're
you
being-
touching me. I don't want you touching me. He can grab me.
Okay, go for it then.
The fuck? I don't want you touching me. I don't want you touching me. It's not you, it's him. Stop touching me. You steady talking to me.
All right, we're gonna come over here, all right?
Yeah, he's pissing me off. The car is not in my name. What am I going to jail for?
Obstructing.
What did I obstruct? Can you explain it to me? Because I'm confused.
Because of the odor of cannabis that's inside
Okay,
the car.
look,
Okay,
look.
listen, hear me out. Okay, I'll give you a chance to talk if you let me talk. Okay, is
Why
that
do he
fair?
got him so tight? I'm not finna do nothing to nobody when I'm pregnant, bro. He do not have to have these handcuffs this tight on my wrist.
Okay, if you hop out, I will check them.
Like, bro, it's literally like, it's
At
only
least
this
turn.
one, the one he did. I'm making a report against him. I don't give no fucks, bro. Don't get no fucks. I'm steady telling you, I don't want you touching me. Call a girl officer. You been called.
Well, yeah, they're on their way. They got on at 3 o'clock. So it takes them a little bit to get here. So both of them,
And
they're
I'm going to the
properly
hospital. Something
fit.
too. Let y'all know that right now.
Okay, so here's the thing, all right? In Illinois, the odor of raw cannabis coming from a vehicle gives law enforcement probable cause to search it, okay?
Okay, look.
So because of the odor of cannabis, we have the right to identify the people that are inside the car.
I told him I would have cooperated if y'all would have searched the car first.
Okay, whether there
I
is
feel
something...
like if y'all didn't find anything and I wasn't driving and the car is not in my name, I shouldn't have to say anything but just mind my business, let y'all do y'all job. Right or wrong though?
No, whether or not that there's anything inside the vehicle, okay, we have the right to identify the people inside.
Right, okay, then what y'all want?
I need
My
your
name
name.
is Janiyah Thomas.
Janiyah Thomas, what year are you born?
9/16/99. What?
Okay, let me hop in the car right here. As
Right,
long as that
cool.
checks
I
out.
don't have no warrant. I
Okay.
just moved down here from Indianapolis.
Okay, so is it out of Indiana then?
Yeah, my ID is.
Okay. Come on.
What's your name, sir?
Stop, shut up.
Walk over here. Gone? 79?
In the jail.
No, he was out of custody. They didn't tell us why it was happening. She came out trying to the attorney's room.
Whoops. Whoops. Clear exception. That's what I said.
Yeah, they're gonna try to find me like I'm like a threat. I didn't even swing at you, so now I'm gonna tell them I'm gonna give me a lawyer. They're gonna run them body cameras back. I never swung at him like overly strong by him like that. I stepped back and said, "You too aggressive. I don't want you arresting me. I'm 20 weeks pregnant, and if you overly strong arm me, I'm gonna file a report against your ass." He said, that's fine. Instead of trying to reach and grab me, instead of just letting him arrest me. How could you say trying to overly strong arm somebody before I'm telling you I'm pregnant? Hell no, you're not gonna do that to me because you're the police. I'm gonna get no fuck about none of that.